Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my YouTube channel Latest Fashion Outfits with the new collection of Hussain Rehar. This beautiful piece is decked with intricate jal in Nakshi, Mukesh and ice blue, mustard and pink pipes, paired with palazzo pants and sequin separate organza dupatta, raw silk shirt. 48 inches palazzo pants, 45 inches organza dupatta, 2.5 yards. This hot pink organza jacket is embellished with florid clustered motifs adorned with silver, ice blue silver pipes and sequins, paired with loose piping palazzo pants. Organza jacket 48 inches, raw silk palazzo pants 45 inches, satin slip dupatta can be added to demand for 6K. This elegant emerald green long shirt featuring box plate is aesthetically decked with silver and pink jal around the keyhole neckline, encrusted with pink sequin formal motifs, completing the look with coordinating embellishments on sleeve opening. Dupatta on pants can be added on customer demand, separately purchased. This ivory raw silk shirt is hand embellishment with beautifully silver nakshi work layered with sequins in silver and hints of green and ice blue, paired with layered net lehenga adorned with sequin spray, completing the look with organza dupatta. Raw silk shirt 42 inches, sharara 45 inches, organza dupatta 2.5 yards. This blush pink organza jacket is beautifully embellished with thick floral motifs adorned with pipes in shades of pink, green, silver and hint of ice blue. While the interesting placement of embellishment makes the look more interesting, paired with palazzo pants and organza separate dupatta, organza jacket 48 inches, palazzo pants 45 inches, organza dupatta 2.5 yards. This ice blue set comes with a beautiful silver adorned neckline completely hand embellished with sequins, nakshi and pipe work in layers, featuring subtle organza detailing on sleeves, paired with palazzo pants and organza separate dupatta. Raw silk shirt, palazzo pant, organza dupatta 2.5 yards. This pistachio green raw silk shirt beautifully embellished with thick floral motifs adorned with pipes in shades of pink, green, silver and hint of ice blue. While the interesting placement of embellishment makes the look more interesting, paired with organza separate dupatta. This pink raw silk set is exquisitely adorned with hand-embellished floral motifs dotted in pinks, green and yellow with hints of purple sequins adding beautiful depth. Paired with palazzo pants, raw silk shirt 36 inches, palazzo pants 45 inches, organza dupatta 2.5 yards. This set comes with solid pistachio shirt paired with emerald green pants with dotted with silver sequins, nakshi and pink pipes beautifully liner from organza dupatta 2.5 yards, raw silk clouds, raw silk shirt. This ivory piece is intricately hand embellished in floral motifs encrusted in with shades of pink, green and grey, beautiful pipes and sequins, paired with embellished shalwar completing the look with sequins separate dupatta, raw silk shirt 35 inches, raw silk shalwar 42 inches, organza dupatta 2.5 yards.